today we've got Mountain Dew. Let's do this. That was pretty solid. I'd give that a 4. Those are pretty solid. Oh my god. That was pretty good too. Dang, okay, Mountain Dew. 8 out of 10, I think. It was better than Dr. Pepper, but not by a lot. So I think an 8 out of 10 seems fair, but I'm really not sure.